Before. After. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure -0.28. Contrast -10. Highlights -100. Shadows +60. Whites +10. Blacks +14. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. And done. Go to color. Temp +14. Tint -7. Vibrance +50. Saturation -28. Go to grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 35. Saturation 17. Blending 100. Slide up. Go to next grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 210. Saturation 10. Slide up. And done. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue +14. Saturation +17. Luminance +17. Go to orange color. Hue -11. Saturation +31. Luminance -28. Go to yellow color. Hue -15. Saturation -40. Luminance -40. Go to green color. Hue +30. Saturation -37. Luminance +48. Go to aqua color. Hue -39. Saturation +40. Luminance -100. Go to blue color. Hue -44. Luminance -45. Go to purple color. Luminance -20. Go to magenta color. Luminance -30. And done. Go to effects. Clarity +16. Slide down. Go to detail. Sharpening 9. Slide down. Color noise reduction 25. Go to profiles. Select artistic 3. Artistic 3x40. And done. Before. After. Now complete your preset.